How to delete Instagram account from another phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can delete Instagram account from another phone. So if you want to delete your Instagram account from another device, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with, first of all, go ahead and log in Instagram account. Once you're logged into your Instagram account, that's going to directly take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, you need to go ahead and tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right hand side corner, and that's going to take you to the profile page. So over here, you can just go ahead and tap on the tab bar icon located in the top right hand side and go to settings and privacy. Once you click on settings and privacy, so here you can just go ahead and tap on account center, and after you click on the account center button over here, you can just go ahead and tap on password and security. And the first thing you can do is you can change your password. That's gonna log your account out of all devices that your account is currently logged in. And apart from it, you can also go ahead and check your login. So you can just go ahead and tap on where you're logged in, and from here you can just go ahead and select the particular account, which one you actually want to, and you can just go ahead and tap on select device, and then you need to just tap on it. After you've done that, you need to click on logout, and as soon as you've done that, you've successfully logged out. And that's basically how you can remove your Instagram account from another device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.